Susunod na yung air servo position, which is 60 seconds. Which is the sequence proceed for the purge cycle. Ito yung sinasabi ko last meeting about the purging of air inside of the chamber. Dito, bubugahan niya kasi umandar na yan, no? It's already started yung FD fan mo. Umandar na siya. So the air will already supply here inside of the chamber in order to remove all the unburned gases. No? So the airflow increased for 70%. For a period of 60 seconds, timer of air servo position will 60 seconds start when oil flow is maintained at 18%. Okay. So, maintain siya dito, yung fuel flow mo. This will be your fuel flow. Dito, ito yun siya. Naka-maintain yan siya ng 18%. Okay? So, nandyan siya. Makikita mo naman sa diagram, no? Okay. So, tuloy-tuloy yung andar ng forging fan mo. So, wala pa tayong ibang ginagawa dito kung maliban lang sa pagpasok na ng atomizing steam. Yan, nag-green color na siya. Okay, so we go for the next proceeding. Okay, signal is sent to FD fan vane. Dito, yan o, magbibigay ng signal dito. Positioner controller. The FD fan vane start opening. Magbubukas to, hihilahin niya ito. Okay? If the airflow does not increase to 70%, the timer for air servo position expire. Air servo error alarm is activated. So meaning, kapag hindi makumpleto yung 7% na ibinibigay niyang hangin dito, mag-a-alarma siya. It will alarm for air servo error with a period of 60 seconds. Okay. So, yun ang mangyayari. So, nagbibigay na siya ng signal dito na bubuksan na niya ito dito. Okay. So, once the airflow to 7%, the first timer 60 seconds start. Okay. Mag-uumpisa. Ayan, no? Ang 70% na hangin na ibigay na niya, ang feedback is 70 also, 70-71. So, wala tayong problema dyan. Flow of oil is 18%. Ang kanyang feedback is 18.5. So, that is acceptable. No? So, walang alarm na nangyari. So, this condition is maintained for purging the period. So, ibig sabihin, pinapurge pa niya yan. No? Tuloy-tuloy yung purging niya. And the next. Okay, so the next. Once purging expire, the sequence proceed to the next step, which is the ignition position. So, this will be your ignition position now. Here, this one. At ito, this is your diesel line. No? Itong kulay red na ito. Once na ito ay magbubukas at magiging green na ito siya, ito ay magiging green also to. This will be your ignition position. No? Ignition. Yung ignition na sinasabi ko sa inyo, yung kanyang igniter, magbubukas. So, yung igniter niya, ang siyang magsisindi ng first stage of your burner. So, we have here two stages. The first stage is the diesel line, and the second stage is the bunker or heavy fuel oil. So, another name or another language of this is what we call the pilot burner and the main burner. So, dalawa ang burner nito siya. We have the pilot, which is this using diesel. And we have here the deep fuel oil, which is this is your continuous firing. Okay. So, nandiyan na tayo sa ignition position. Still, purging pa rin siya. No? Maandar pa rin yung blower mo. So, servo motor is 60%. We are going to proceed. Now, ignition position. Nakita na natin, no? Ignition position, pag yan ay nag-green na siya. Okay, yan ay green. Okay, nag-green na siya. Airflow reduced to 18%. Oil flow remains at 18%. The bench positioner, start closing. This one, magsasara to siya ng konti. The feed pump. Bakit siya magsisira? Para hindi mamamatay yung apoy dito. Kasi pag sobrang lakas ng hangin nito, mamamatay yung igniter mo rito. So the main position closing start PD fan, timer for air receiver position is still 60 seconds. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung 60 seconds niya. Okay? So yan. Itingnan natin kung ano ang sumunod na mangyayari. Okay. When the air flows does not reach 16% before air servo position timer expire, magkakaroon siya ng airbo servo alarm. So, kailangan umabot siya ng 18. Since that this is 20, this is already acceptable. Kasi nandito na tayo sa igniter position. Ayan, no? Nasa igniter position na tayo. Okay. Sundan nyo lang yung cursor ko, ha? Nandito na tayo sa igniter position. And then, we go to first. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung purging niya. So, air servo alarm is activated. Else, the sequence can proceed to the next step. Ignition. The igniter position timer at 10 seconds start. Okay. Nakalagay dito, igniter position. Tingnan nyo dito sa may timer niya. And 10 seconds for the set point. Okay. So, let's proceed. Bantayan nyo itong fuel na to, ha. Bubukas yan. Pag naano na natin yung igniter. Okay, yun. Bumukas na yung fuel. O, kita mo na. Pumasok na. And then, the diesel is already started. Nag-firing na siya ngayon. Okay. So, it's already firing. So, since that this is already ignited, ito yung igniter niya, dahil sa nagsindi na siya, nag-close na rin siya dito. Nakita nyo, nag-red na. Dahil mayroon to siyang timer. There will be a timer to stop the electrodes. No? Okay. DO pump start, the DO solenoid and combustion air solenoid is open. Electrode starts sparkling. At the time, 12 seconds start. Okay, 12 seconds siyang mag-i-start. So, yun ang sinasabi ko dati na mayroon siyang electrode na siyang magiging igniter to ignite in order to burn the fuel or the diesel oil. So, as of this moment, diesel muna yung kanyang kinukonsumo. Okay? Diesel muna ang kanyang kinakain. Okay, so yan, pumapasok yung diesel, this red line. After this one, bantayan nyo ito dito, ito. Papasok na ngayon yan dito susunod. Para sa main burner. This will be your heavy fuel oil. This one. Yan, this will be your heavy fuel oil. Okay? So, 12 seconds ignition. And then, ayan, sinasabi, once pilot burner flame established, igniter flame send back. Igniter, ha? Igniter flame I. Yung sinasabi ko sa inyong flame I, the flame I is located in this area. Ito. Ang siyang mag-monitor sa flame. If there's no flame indication, there will be an alarm. Okay? Igniter flame send back to the feedback ignition scan indication on the ECR computers comes on. Ibig sabihin, pag nagkaroon na siya ng initial firing, makikita doon sa computer ng makina, sa engine room, control room, that the boiler is already firing. Okay? So makikita doon sa ignition niya. Since that this is still a diesel, wala pa yung heavy fuel, ha? Wala pa yan. We are going to proceed. Okay. So anong sinabi? After the ignition flame feedback is received, an igniter timer at 12 seconds. Expire. Pag expire na yan, the 6 will proceed to the safety time. So mayroon pa siyang pinapaano na safety time. Ina-allowed. And then, next is safety time is 10 seconds. Yung 10 seconds na binibigay is that is your safety time. At the same time, they will be open. Bumukas na siya, oh, nakita nyo? Okay. Yan, pumasok na. Diesel, malaki na ang firing. This will be firing now. So, since na ito ay kailangan parahin yan siya. In expiration of sequence, papara itong diesel mo. Kasi, nandito na yung malaking firing mo. Nandito na yung main burner. Main na ito siya, main. Okay? And then, the flame eye. Okay, the flame eye na makikita mo, dito yung flame eye mo sa taas, dito, in this area. Makikita mo, come in action. Dahil kung wala itong makitang flame, mag-aalarma yan.